Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video we're going to be going over the settings on the MXR 222 Talk Box. So this was a suggestion from a subscriber. They wanted me to make a video going over the settings, so here it is. And I'm sure if one person wants to know more about the settings, I assume that many more people want to learn about it too. So this is for anybody who might want to buy one or already has one and wants to learn a little bit more about it. So yeah, let's not waste any more time and get right to the video. Alright, so here we are with the talk box. So let's just go over everything. So right here we have our on and off switch. So this is how you turn the talk box on and off. Right here we have the tube. And then this is the hole that the tube goes in. And it kind of just goes just like that. So now let's start from the top. Right here we have our output, and then right here we have our power cable, and then on this side is the input. So this input here is what's going to be going to your synthesizer. Alright, so what we're going to be going over next are the three knobs at the top here. We're going to start from right to left. So the first knob here is the gain knob. So the gain knob is the volume of the signal coming into the talk box. So the signal from the synthesizer is going through this cable and into the talk box, and this dictates how loud that signal is going to be, and it's different from the volume, and I'll explain later. So going over one, we have our tone knob, and this tone knob is basically like a high pass or a low pass filter. So the more left you go, the warmer it's going to sound, and the more right you go, the colder it's gonna sound, or in a sense, the more left you go, it's gonna sound a little bit more bassier, and the more right you go, it's gonna have a little bit more treble. So let me show you here. Let me get on the talk box. So here's with the tone knob set all the way to the left. Around the world, around the world. And then here's the tone knob set all the way to the right. Around the world, around the world. So you can see there, when it's set to the left, there's a lot more bass and it sounds a little bit more warm. And then when it's set all the way to the right, it has a lot more treble, sounds a little bit more frigid. And so yeah, that's the tone knob. Now the next one is the volume knob, and the volume knob is how loud the signal coming out of the talk box is going to be, and I'll explain here. So let's turn the gain all the way down and the volume down, and then I'm gonna play a note while I turn up the volume. So it does get pretty loud. So let's go ahead and turn up the gain volume now, and you can see how much of a difference it makes. So it does increase the volume by a lot. It could be a little confusing. If you're using one of these, don't worry, just find a setting that sounds good to you and just stick with that. Whoa, yeah. Nice. All right. So there we go, guys. Those are all the settings on the MXR 222 Talk Box. If you liked the video, go ahead and subscribe. I also have Amazon links for this talk box and for my microKORG synthesizer. And basically everything that I have in my studio. If you like the video so far, go ahead and subscribe. It's the easiest way you can help out the channel, and so you don't miss any videos in the future. Alright guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.